Γεια σας, καλημέρα, με λένε Στάλο, and this is class number 9. Last time we talked about the definite article in Greek, o, I, to. It's what we translate in English as the. Today we're going to talk about the indefinite article. The indefinite article is used when we refer to someone or something that is not specific. Ένας is the masculine form. Μια or μία is the feminine form. And ένα is the neuter form. Ένας, μια or μία, ένα. They are all translated in English as or en. For example, ένας φίλος είναι εδώ. A friend is here. So this is the indefinite article, ένας, in the masculine form, and we translate it as a friend. Θέλω μια σαλάτα. I want a salad. Here we have the feminine form of the indefinite article, μια, and it's translated as a salad. Η Άννα έχει ένα μήλο. Anna has an apple. So here we have the neuter form, ένα, and it's translated as or n. Here we have n because apple starts with a vowel. Now, it so happens that the indefinite article, ένας, μια or μία, ένα, is also the numeral 1, ένα. So, all these can also mean 1. Okay, let's see now how these sentences change a little bit when we use the definite article as a numeral. Ένας φίλος είναι εδώ. We emphasize the word ένας. Ένας φίλος είναι εδώ. One friend is here. As opposed to more or many friends. Just one friend. So, this can be translated as one friend is here. The second one, θέλω μια σαλάτα. Θέλω μια σαλάτα. I want one salad, not two, not three, just one. Θέλω μια σαλάτα. So we translate it as 1. And finally, η Άννα έχει ένα μήλο. Not two, just one. Ένα μήλο. So we emphasize the word ένα. And we translate it as 1. Now, whether we use ένας, μια, and ένα as an indefinite article or as a numeral depends on the context. As you can see, it's very important to know the gender of a word. And the best way to learn the gender is to learn always new words together with their articles. If you don't know the gender of a noun, inevitably at some point you will use the wrong article or the wrong ending of a pronoun or of an adjective. For example, you might say, ένα σαλάτα. If you don't know that salad is feminine, you might use the neuter article. And of course, this is wrong. The correct one would be μια or mia. Μια σαλάτα or mia salata, not ένα. Just a reminder, if you like my videos, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will help me tremendously. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. A very, very useful word that we will also learn today is aftos, aftos, αυτή, αυτό. They mean this, but also he, she, it. So this is the masculine form, this is the feminine form, and this is the neuter form. Now let's look at some examples. By the way, we will talk about this vowel combination, the alpha with the epsilon, at a later class. So today just know that in this case it's pronounced af, aftos, αυτή, αυτό. Okay, let's look at some examples. Τι είναι αυτό? Τι είναι αυτό? What is this? An extremely useful expression that you will use a lot. Τι είναι αυτό? What is this? Αυτό είναι ένα βιβλίο. Αυτό είναι ένα βιβλίο. This is a book. So you notice here also the indefinite article. Ένα, and αυτό, the neuter form, which means this. Τι είναι αυτός? Τι είναι αυτός? What is he? Now, when we ask about a person, what is he? This can refer to many things. It can refer to his job or to his character or let's see, to his nationality. He's Greek or he's American, he's French. It can also refer to his political views. So it can really mean a lot of things when you say, what is he? What's his nationality, or what's his job, or what are his political views? Αυτός είναι ένας δάσκαλος. Αυτός είναι ένας δάσκαλος. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. Now, when a noun follows αυτός, αυτή, αυτό, then we have to add the definite article. For example, αυτός ο κύριος είναι ο Μαξ. Αυτός ο κύριος είναι ο Max. This gentleman is Max. So let's see what we have. Now, notice that in English, we don't say this, the gentleman, right? We don't use this. We cannot have this, the gentleman. We omit it. But in Greek, we have to use the definite article if there is a noun following aftos. So, aftos or kyrios. You cannot say aftos kyrios, meaning this gentleman. Okay? You always have to use the definite article. So, αυτός ο κύριος, this gentleman, είναι, is, ο Max. Max. Same thing here. We don't use the definite article in English with proper nouns like Max. So we don't say is the Max, but we say is Max. But in Greek, you have to use the definite article with proper nouns, like we learned last time. So this gentleman is Max. Αυτή η κυρία είναι η Λόλα. Αυτή η κυρία είναι η Λόλα. This lady is Lola. The same thing here as before. Αυτή η κυρία, we need the definite article here in Greek, but in English we don't use the. We don't use it here. So we don't say this the lady, but just this lady. But in Greek you have to use the definite article with afti. So this lady is Ilola. Same thing as before. It's a proper noun, Lola, and in English we don't use an article with proper nouns, but in Greek we do. So here we omit the. We don't say is the Lola, but is Lola. And in Greek we have to use though the definite article I. Αυτό το παιδί είναι η Νίνα. Αυτό το παιδί είναι η Νίνα. This child is Nina. Same as in the other two examples. In Greek we need the definite article to in the neuter form here, but in English we have to omit it. This child is, and here in Greek we use again the definite article with a proper noun, Nina, but in English we don't. So we just have to say is Nina, not is the Nina. Okay, so let's summarize what we learned today. We learned the indefinite article ένας, μια or μία and ένα. And we said that ένας, μια or μία and ένα is translated into English as or n if the following word begins with a vowel, and also is translated as one, the numeral one. And we mentioned that how you translate it, how we translate it, depends on the context. And let me give you an example. Η Άννα έχει ένα μήλο, and we said that this can be translated as Anna has an apple, an apple, or if we emphasize the word ένα, then it's translated a little differently. So if we say η Άννα έχει ένα μήλο, then we emphasize that it's just one apple, not two or more. So this can be an apple or one apple. And then we learned the word αυτό, αυτός, αυτή, αυτό, and we said that these are translated as this, and also as he, she, it. And finally we said that when there is a noun following αυτός, αυτή, αυτό, then we have to use the definite article. Αυτός ο Κύριος. Αυτή η κυρία. Αυτό το παιδί. Not αυτός Κύριος or αυτή κυρία or αυτό παιδί. You always have to use the definite article when there is a noun following αυτός, αυτή, αυτό. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.